Welcome to beautiful War Memorial Stadium. This afternoon, the Wyoming Cowboys here to play at home and take on the UC Davis Aggies. There's three as Allen takes the snap on 3rd and 6, has time, fires, he's got a man, it's caught, Tanner Gentry, touchdown Cowboys. Wants to throw, fires downfield, this is picked off. It's intercepted by Rico Gafford. Hill up the middle, Hill is in. Touchdown, Cowboys. Hill to the 40, look out, he's gonna go. Hill to the 10, 5, touchdown, Cowboys. Allen rolling right, plants, wants to fire, looks downfield for Mulhart. This is caught! Touchdown, Cowboys! Allen rolling right, he's being pressured from behind, throws on the run to the end zone, wide open. This is caught! A Cowboy touchdown! C.J. Johnson with the catch. Give it, don't fake it to him. Allen rolling right, looking into the end zone. Now he's going to tuck it, he's going to stretch for it, and he's got it! Touchdown, Cowboys! Scott looking over the middle, under pressure, that ball is up in the air. Let's see if it's loose. That's going to be called a fumble. The Cowboys have it at the 24-yard line. This game is over, and the final score, the score, Wyoming 45, UC Davis 22.